2015 Canadian election and taxes. With the Canadian federal election coming up, it's important to know where the three main parties stand in regards to both personal and corporate tax. Let's take a look. Small business tax cut. Small business has been a major focus for each of the three parties. As announced in the 2015 Canadian federal budget, the Conservatives plan to reduce the small business tax rate from 11% to 9% by 2019. The NDP also plan to reduce it to 9%, but will do so within 2 years. The Liberals also support dropping this to 9%, but want to ensure that wealthy Canadians are not using this as a way to avoid paying taxes. In terms of the large corporate tax rate, both the Conservatives and Liberals plan to keep it at 15%, while the NDP plan to increase it to 17%. Canadian Pension Plan and Employment Insurance. The Conservative Party recently announced that if elected, they will introduce a new tax law legislation that will prohibit any increases to federal, personal, and business income taxes, sales taxes, and discretionary payroll taxes, such as the CPP and EI. They also plan to reduce EI premiums from $1.88 to $1.49 per $100 by 2017. The Liberals also promised to reduce EI premiums, but only to $1.65. The NDP plan to freeze EI premiums, but plan to use the extra funds generated to improve access to EI benefits. With these new rates and a 2015 maximum insurable earnings of $49,500, the adjusted employer maximum under each party would be as follows. The Conservative Party, $1,032. The Liberal Party, $1,143. And the NDP Party, $1,302. The Conservatives have long opposed any expansion to the Canada Pension Plan, but did make minor changes previously to allow seniors to collect it as early as 60 years of age. Both the Liberal and NDP parties have stated that they support an extensive expansion of the current CPP and plan on working with each province to gradually increase CPP premiums. For individuals, both the Conservative and NDP promise to keep personal tax rates at their current levels. The Liberals, however, plan to reduce the middle class income tax bracket, which is between $44,700 and $89,401, from the current 22% down to 20.5%, and create a new tax bracket of 33% for individuals with annual incomes greater than $200,000. For childcare benefits, the Conservative Party had already announced the expanded universal childcare benefit, which increased from $100 per month for children under 6 to $160 per month, and $60 per month for children between 6 and 17. The NDP also promised to honor the expanded UCCB introduced by the Conservatives and develop a $15 a day universal childcare. The Liberals want to scrap the existing UCCB and replace it with a new tax-free childcare benefit that would boost payments to all families with children and annual incomes below $150,000. One of the major announcements by the Conservative Party in their 2015 federal budget was the increase of the TFSA annual contribution limit to $10,000 from $5,500. Both the Liberal and NDP parties have vowed to reverse this decision back to $5,500. The second major development of the budget was the introduction of the family tax cut, which allows couples with children under 18 to split up $50,000 of taxable income with a maximum tax savings of $2,000. Again, both the Liberal and NDP parties would cancel the family tax cut and the various other tax splitting initiatives for families, but will maintain this for seniors. These are the main tax highlights for the three main parties. Hopefully, this has better helped you to make a decision on Election Day. Remember to cast your vote on October the 19th. So here's the tip. Make sure that you read each of the parties' platforms as they pertain to taxes. And remember to cast your vote to get the changes you want. If you like this tip and want to know more, drop us a comment below or visit madanca.com. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can bring you great tax tips every week.